Hi guys, and welcome back to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new wool test video and obviously also a tutorial. I have this Murray Wool Art Revolution. It's a really nice wool, very thick. It's 150 grams and 75 meters. It's a mix of 80% acrylic, 20% wool. Yeah, just a really nice mix of colors here. It's purple and pinks and a little bit of yellow. And then we have a little bit of white here as well. And this gimp thread that's very thin kind of helps, gives the thread some nice texture. Yeah, let's see. I'm just trying to look here for the color number, but I don't see it. Maybe I missed it, sorry. I'm going to pull out the middle here, and it is recommended for sizes 9. I have my 9 and my 12 here actually, just to try. Let's see, where is the beginning? Is it inside or outside? I'm not sure. I am pulling this in. Okay, I finally did it. So this is the wool, this is the beginning thread, and I will go ahead and test which size hook works better for me. If I actually use my size 9 like recommended, or if I choose a bigger size. And okay, the size 9 works, but I think for me personally, something a little bigger would make more sense. Let me try my size 12 here. Yeah, this is easier, this is looser, and personally I like this better. Obviously this is, you know, kind of depends on what you are trying to achieve here. For my case, I like it a little looser, and so I would just recommend choosing, yeah, your size, depending on what kind of style you want to achieve. I think the wool is already really interesting, and so a simple pattern will do perfectly fine here. So I'm going to just do some double crochets. I'm going for the width here that I want for the scarf. So I start doing that width with my double crochets. I'm just kind of looking here to see what seems to make sense, and I think this looks about right. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 chain stitches here for the width. Then we add another 3 for height. And we will go back into the 11th stitch that we just did. And I will start just going back in double crochets. So all the way back. Here's the first one that's really pink. This is a little knot. Maybe this was actually the problem earlier, that I couldn't like pull it through so easily. Okay. And you can see here how big this is already getting. Okay, yeah. So I really think that this size here really works well with the wool, and I'm very sure that with the size 9 hook it would have been too tight for me. You know. All right, this is my first row, and you can see here the really nice colors that we can already see. And I'm going for the next row now. To start, you also do 3 chain stitches and then turn it around and then go all the way back with double crochets. And yeah, it's really quick just because the wool's so large. And you can see here how much space you're actually gaining per row. I'm going to still take you along for this row, and then later on I will give you more updates as I continue crocheting. All right, and we're done with this row as well. I will continue with 3 chain stitches. All right, here's a little update for you guys, and what's really interesting is we have a little bit of color pooling. So we kind of have similar colors together. So we have the pink, the deeper purple ones, and then also the yellow ones. Yeah, we kind of have it clustered. And then in some of them it seems like the color changes are at very regular intervals, but I think it looks super cool and it's very interesting. And I have a lot more wool to go. All right. In the meantime, I've actually used up all my wool. It's pretty short, to be honest, but it is definitely wearable. It's more than a meter. It's more like maybe 1.30 meters or so. We have a lot of color pooling continuing here through the rest of the scarf, and I think it looks super cool and interesting. And so yeah, we kind of have these like little squares almost of pink, and in between we have the pink and the deep purple. And to finish this off, I have a little bit left here, but it's unfortunately not enough for another row. But yeah, I actually started with some chain stitches here for this last row, but yeah, like I said, it's not enough. So I'm just pulling the thread out here, and then obviously we still have to cut and hide the beginning and end thread. Yeah, that's the beginning. And here we can just cut this a little shorter, and then obviously they'll be hidden. The scarf is now done. It's actually really, really easy to make this. It's great for beginners, really, really nice colors and color combinations as well. And just with the white and a little bit of structure, due to the like gimp thread, I think it looks really great. And like I said, I would definitely recommend a slightly larger hook size, but otherwise, yeah, super nice wool. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you next time here again at DIY Ideas.